Event, direction, action.
Hi guys, it's Tim here. I'm the engineer installing the equipment here at Celf SGRIN2. We've got a really unique hybrid setup here. We'll be using an NEC NP1000 projector with a Dolby IMS. It's a server that plays all your films. Also, it's connected to the satellite link, which is currently downstairs, so we can have broadcasted opera and theatre shows playing on SGRIN2 as well. What's unique about this project is we have up to 6 pods in this room. We'll be using network cables, all patched in, and these pods will each have a Mac laptop, so people can get creative with their ideas and put ideas together using different machines, and they can get to see their creativeness on the screen using this projector. So it's a series of laptops, mixing desks, and also we'll be utilising cinema surround, so it'll be 7.1 surround sound. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to completing this project for the local community and seeing it being used to its full potential.
Diolch yn fawr, Tim.